been buying XRP since 13 cents, right? So I saw XRP go from 13 cents to 350. I saw it go from 350 back down to 25 cents and from 25 cents back to all-time highs. Like, I'm not saying you can't make money with it. What I'm saying is I don't think that what they're selling people, which is the idea of becoming the chain for the banks.
And now to Marcus. There's hardly any fintech ranking without Ripple. Ripple itself partners with numerous banks, and more than 100 financial institutions have joined Ripple's blockchain networks.
There's other people competing. There's other chains competing. There's other businesses competing for the same what? Desire to replace Swift.
I don't believe Ripple is going to replace Swift. Ripple is one of the complementary networks which is going to allow those institutions who need real time to make use of that. But we may also see Ripple XRP moving across the Swift network as a currency when we're perhaps using something like FX.
There's other chains that are ready with better tech that aren't fucking 15 years old, that aren't 10 years old, that are literally supersonic speed, compliant, regulated. Traced.
Would Ethereum be an example of that?
Kita.
Kita, okay.
Ethereum is not so there's different blockchains for different purposes.
We will be all at a level playing field.
Level playing field.
This is intended to be a level playing field.
There has to be a level playing field.
Ethereum operates as like the decentralized application layer of the internet. So whether you want to do financial remittance, build robots on it, whatever, that's the Ethereum is supposed to act as that layer. Bitcoin is supposed to act as a store of value. You have different chains like Solana. Solana is what we call the internet of capital markets, right? Which is everything that takes place, whether it's meme coins, NFTs, whatever it is, everything that's fast-paced trading takes place on Solana. Now, when it comes to banking, banking isn't going to operate on the same chains that retail operates on, right? So I'm looking for where's the liquidity for all of the sectors.
The other problem we are trying to solve is the problem of liquidity or pre-funding. People who are aware of how cross-border payments work today, there's a lot of reliance on pre-funding and liquidity management. We believe that a digital asset can actually solve that problem. And it's no longer theoretical. We actually launched our product called XRP sometime in October last year to solve exactly that. So basically we're offering that product to banks and smaller PSPs, where they no longer have to pre-fund fiat currency in different accounts across the globe, but they can leverage a digital asset like XRP to source real-time liquidity. So this is how we are leveraging digital assets and blockchain to solve a real-world problem. And we are seeing real customers use these technologies live in production and seeing real traction.
Real world assets, stable coins, speculation, banking. With banking, XRP is not going to succeed. It'll be Kita.
All right.
Do your research. The entire point of Money Mondays is for me to drop some alpha. So there you go.
Yeah. No, XRP.
So that's where I see changes happening now. If you think of Circle and Ripples and all those, that's where they are active and helpful.